Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to use YouTube Music. If you're a beginner, this will be great for you. So right away we're going to open our YouTube Music, and this is the first thing you're going to see. At the top, you're going to have some suggestions of sounds you might want to listen to. For example, if you're in the mood to relax, you can simply tap on relax and it's going to give you a list of relaxation music. And you have these other options here. For example, if you're going for a workout, you can tap on workout and you will have sounds for workout. Now, when we look over here, we have some music which might be interesting to you, which are suggested by YouTube Music. This could be popular music or old music, basically sounds that YouTube feels works for you. And then down here, you have commute and you have some different playlists. You have hip hop classics, dance hits, essentials hip hop, all-time hip hop, and things like that. So you can scroll and select whichever you want. There is also the button at the right of commute. We can tap on it. And then everything here is all about commuting. Of course, at the beginning, we mentioned some options here, such as relaxing, workout, feel good, party. And now we're currently under commute. Of course, if you tap on feel good, this will give you some suggestions that will make you feel good, right? So basically, it's giving you suggestions. And if you're not sure of what you want to do, you can simply go ahead and select any of these moods. So basically, these are moods that you can go ahead and select, and then you're going to have lots of sounds, lots of music that you could go with. Now, we're going to talk about what is at the bottom. At the bottom, of course, we've been at home, and it's at home where you can see these other options which we just talked about. And then you have samples, explore, library, and upgrade. When we go over to samples, so under samples, you have what is like a TikTok or YouTube Shorts feel. Also like an Instagram feed where you get to slide up to see different videos. Of course, you could tap on it to play and tap on it to pause again. And then at the right side, you get to engage with the post, such as giving a thumbs up, commenting, having it in your playlists, going to YouTube Shorts, sharing it, or playing it again. And now we're going to go over to Explore. And under Explore, you get to basically explore everything about music. So you have the different moods and genres, which we talked about in home. And you could go again and select more options here. And then when you scroll down, you have what is trending. You have new music videos, which might be interesting to you. And we're going to scroll back up. And then here you have new albums and singles. So basically, it's giving you a showcase of what is happening and is trending, and that's why it's the Explore. At the top, you can simply with one click or one tap go over to new releases, charts, moods, and genres, which of course is what we're doing. So one of the designs with YouTube Music is to enhance whatever mood you find yourself, and that's why we come across the moods and genres over and over again. When we go over to library, you have what you've downloaded, episodes of podcasts, music, or things like that. So at the top, you have library. When we have the drop down menu there, we're going to tap on it and we have library and downloads. So when we click on downloads, we're going to see what we've downloaded already. At the top here, you can select playlists, songs, albums, artists, or podcasts. These are all filters that you can use to enhance your experience. If you have a new playlist you want to create, you can simply tap on new at the bottom right corner here, and you have the option for radio and playlist. And then if you'd like to upgrade your subscription of YouTube Music, you can tap on the last one here, which is upgrade. And then of course, you get to upgrade to whatever plan you would like to have on your YouTube Music. Then when we come back home, at the top right corner, you have some notification icon there. You have the search icon and you have your profile icon. When you tap on your profile icon, you're going to see your profile name, your channel, your downloads, your history, recap, and everything related to your account. You can also access settings from here by tapping on settings, and this will take you to other options which might be of interest to you depending on your need. So back home, we can see everything we've talked about in YouTube Music and all the options that you can go about to enhance your listening experience.